The box primitive. To make the box primitive, we're going to go up to our modeling panel. We're going to choose the box command. The box command says specify the first corner. So I'm going to type in 0, comma, 0, comma, 0. And I'm going to hit enter. Then it's going to ask me for the other corner of the box. I'm going to type in 5, then I'm going to type in the tab command, and then the tab button on the keyboard, then I type in 10, and I'm going to hit enter. Then it's going to ask me for my height, and I'm going to type in 5. And I created a 5 by 10 by 5 box. Now, let's take a look at another option of the box command. I'm going to go up to box. It'll ask me for the first corner or center. So I'm going to choose center. When I choose center, it specifies the geometric center of the box. So this time I'm going to say 0, comma, 0, comma, 0. And you can see now it's making it extend out from the center of the box. So I'm going to say 5, I'm going to hit the tab key, and I'm going to say 10. I'm going to hit enter. Then as I pull the cursor up, now you can see that it's going to go equally distance up and down just as well as it did left and right. So when I type in 5, now the geometric center is at the center of the box. So it's positioned differently. It's the same size box. Now, let's go up to the box command, and I choose box. And let's pick the first corner. I'm going to say 0, comma, 0, comma, 0. I'm going to hit enter. Then, instead of just typing in the values in these input boxes here, I'm going to come down and click on length. When I click on length, it'll ask me for length. In this case, I'm going to say I want it to be 5. I hit the tab key, and I'm going to type in 90 degrees. And then I hit enter, and then it's going to ask me now for the width, and then I'm going to type in 10, and then now it's going to ask me for the height. I'll type in 5. So in this case, the length is on my x-axis, and my width is on my x, and then my height went with the z. And we can choose another method with the box command, and this one is type in the 0, comma, 0, comma, 0, and then I have the option of a cube. So when I say cube, it'll say okay, and now I have to type in the value of the cube. I'll type in 5. But now I'm going to hit the tab key, and I'm going to place it at 0 degrees so that it's nice and on the axes. When I do that, it'll make all 3 sides 5 inches. Okay? So we just did the box command, which has 6 flat sides forming square corners, and we usually pick it from the corners, but we don't always do it. Sometimes we can pick from the center. We can pick a cube, which means that all sides are equal. We could use the length option, but it's not as friendly as dynamic input and dynamic feedback, meaning that when I come in here and say, oh, I want 0, comma, 0, comma, 0, it's a lot easier just to type in the values that I want. I can say, oh, I need 5, and then hit the tab key, and then hit 10. And I can just keep hitting the tab key back and forth and changing values to whatever I need, right? So I can come in here and say, no, let's make it, 1.5, hit the tab key, and you can dynamically see the difference, all right? So I can say, no, I really needed 5, and then I want it to go up, and I can say up, I want it to go up 5 units. So with the dynamic input and the dynamic feedback, our most commonly used ones are picking the corner and the cube in particular, and sometimes the center if you know the geometric center of your box.